Here's what I want to say about people that ask about, well, why now? Why has it been the last 5 or 6 years? Why didn't they do this 20 years ago? I'll tell you why. Because doctors and scientists and researchers, they work on people that want a solution to something. Well, what has men done for generations? I'm fine.
Right.
I'm okay.
Yeah, men tend not to go to the doctor.
Men were supposed to get fat and bald and lazy.
Dead bods.
And you're supposed to be sleeping in your Barca lounger with your hands in your pants watching the game. That is what generation after generation of men did. They didn't complain that they felt bad.
And their doctor said they were normal
yes,
because
that's
their
exactly
labs
right.
looked normal.
That's exactly right. Small story. I went to my doctor. My family doctor saw the results in my blood work, and he saw my body change, and he goes, "What are you doing?" And I started to talk to him about it. And it was funny. My yearly checkup with him, he would ask, "Now tell me more about the testosterone. Tell me about and he eventually got on the program.
Sparked his interest.
My family doctor did. He asked. I was telling him, "Here's what I did. Yada yada," because they're not trained for it. Right? But that's the reason. So if you're asking, well, wait a minute, why haven't they done this for years? This seems silly. Well, why they come up with this? This is a fad. No, it's not. Men never complained. We never complained about being fat and lazy.
And they were told they were normal.
And they were told they're normal, and we're not supposed to complain.